How much can a YouTube channel earn at 1K, 10K and 100K subs? YouTube is a video sharing website based in San Bruno, California that was created in 2005. The service, which was founded by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim, in February 2005, was purchased by Google in November 2006 for $1.65 billion and is now one of the company's subsidiaries. According to Alexa Internet Rankings, YouTube is the second most visited website after Google search. There are plenty of people without millions of subscribers that do good numbers on YouTube, which make many of us wonder how many subscribers do you really need to start earning an income. Today we will tell you about how much can a YouTube channel earn at 1K, 10K and 100K subs. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. Users can upload, view, rate, share, add to playlists, report and comment on videos, as well as subscribe to other users on YouTube. Video clips, TV show clips, music videos, short and documentary films, audio recordings, movie trailers, live streams, video blogging, short original videos and instructional videos are among the types of material available. The majority of content is created and uploaded by individuals, but media organizations such as CBS, the BBC, Vivo and Hulu use YouTube as a part of the YouTube collaboration program to distribute some of their content. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is the first step towards monetizing your YouTube account. The YouTube Partner Program is a monetization program that allows creators to earn money by displaying advertisements on their videos. Since YouTube is operated by Google, the app uses Google AdSense to view ads that you pick. You have complete control over what types of advertisements and videos you want to use to monetize your content with the YouTube Partner Program. Commercials that appear before your video, a banner under your video, or an ad above suggested videos on the right are all choices for advertising. You earn a small fee when a viewer watches or clicks on an advertisement or an ad. This could cost anything from a few cents to a few dollars per view or click. The amount you earn is determined by a number of factors, including the advertiser's bid, the type of content viewed, and the length of your film. To monetize your YouTube channel, you must apply to the YouTube Partner Program. However, once you have been admitted, you will be able to start earning money from your viewers and subscribers. To be able to monetize your account via the YouTube Partner Program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers according to the criteria. However, there are a variety of variables that go into earning a sizable AdSense payout. As you might be aware, the amount of money you will make on YouTube varies depending on the type of advertisements you run and the size of your audience. Some advertisements are pay-per-view, while others are pay-per-click. You want a higher viewer interaction to get the most out of your ad revenue. The more people who engage with your advertising, the more money you will make. Although you have no control over how appealing each displayed ad is to your viewers, you do have control over the types of advertisements that appear alongside your videos. The success of your advertising is determined by how well they fit the needs of your target audience, as well as the length of your video. Consider it for a moment. In contrast to a 5-minute video, a 30-minute video allows a viewer 30 minutes to click on an ad. It also gives Google AdSense more opportunities to show relevant ads, especially when it comes to timed advertisements that play during a video. Be sure to only choose ads that will cater to your target audience when you first enter your monetization and ad preferences. This includes topics, colors, and formats that are sure to catch the attention of your viewers. Looking at your channel's metrics and analytics is the best way to figure out how good your videos are. They tell you not only how well your videos are doing, but also how likely you are to start increasing the amount of money you earn from advertising and other monetization methods. The ratio of likes to views shows how well liked your videos are. If a viewer enjoys your video, if it includes unique material that they find interesting, they will take the time to give it a thumbs up. According to Tubular Insights, you can get at least 4 comments for every 100 views. The ratio of comments to views will tell you how well your videos are being received. High interaction, just as with advertising, is an essential target. The more people engage with your video, the more likely they are to engage with your advertisements. According to Tubular Perspectives, a reasonable comment to view ratio is 5%, of 5 comments per 100 views. The proportion of your viewers who watch your videos is known as your subscriber to view ratio. The number of views per video can vary greatly. You may have thousands of subscribers, but just a few hundred views on one video, but 100,000 on the next. According to Tubular Insights, you can strive for a subscriber to view ratio of at least 14% when averaging all together. However, the more subscriptions and views you receive, the more difficult it will be to sustain this ratio. It's not a sign of failure if the subscriber to view ratio doesn't hit 14%. Take, for example, PewDiePie, a well-known YouTuber. He has 55 million subscribers and each video received about 4 million views. Although he has a viewer to view ratio of just over 7%, he nevertheless gets millions of views per video and earns around $12 million a year. These types of metrics are useful measuring tools, but they can be subjective depending on the content or audience. Publishing sponsored videos is another common way to make money on YouTube. Sponsored videos are similar to affiliate marketing in that you suggest goods, but you work directly with the company and get paid for the whole video upfront. Your revenue is generally determined by how many people see your post rather than how many items you sell. There is no minimum number of subscribers to get endorsed, but the more subscribers and views you have, the better. Brands want to ensure that the product can be promoted to a large number of people who are likely to be interested. If your account is not big but you still want to partner with brands, getting a high interaction rate and pitching it to them is a perfect way to win them over. Getting the verification badge next to your channel's name is another aspect that will encourage brands to collaborate with you. Making money on YouTube is a skill that anyone can learn. It isn't just for those who are popular on YouTube. You will be making money on YouTube in no time if you put in the effort and know how to turn subscribers into good hard cash. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.